Hello, Dr. Campbell, the Hammond Doc. This is a Hammond A105 organ. And this organ needs to be refurbished before I can put it into service. And I'm going to take care of that. It had these tubes that are bad, 3 bad tubes in it. 12, what is that? A 12 AX, bad 12 AX7, and 2 bad 12 BQ5 tubes. So both were all bad. The value 4 is good in there. I'll let you hear. This is what it sounds like. Now, it's sounding better than it was. And listen to that one. Like additional notes are being played. That gets out of always an undertone there. Alright, so I got to take care of that. Alright, so I'm going to take care of that. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've already, as I said, put new tubes in it. And now I'm going to pull that A039 out. Now supposedly the person that sold me this has already done some rebuilding. I don't know what that means. He said he rebuilt the amp, the preamp, but that could mean so many things. I tell you, it sounds horrible, but when I finish with it, it's not gonna sound like that. It's gonna be clean. All right, so I've already oiled it, but I'm getting ready to pull that A039 out now and actually rebuild it. And I'll see what he's done to it. But until the next video, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc, saying to you, peace out.